In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can expand the product of two brackets. Now, there are a number of different techniques that you can use, but essentially we need to multiply every term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket. One of the techniques that you could use is known as the claw method. That x minus 8 multiplied by x plus 3 can be expanded by x times x, which is x squared, x times 3, which is 3x. I've now multiplied everything in the second bracket by x, so now multiply everything in the second bracket by negative 8. So negative 8 times x is negative 8x, and negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. You'll notice that the middle two terms can now be simplified, so this gives me x squared minus 5x minus 24. An alternative technique that you could have used is the grid method. Separating the contents of the first bracket into x and negative 8, and the contents of the second bracket, x and positive 3, I now multiply every row by every column. So x times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, negative 8 times x is negative 8x, and negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. So writing all of the terms that I got from the expansion in a list, I get x squared plus 3x minus 8x minus 24, which, as we've seen, the middle two terms simplify, and this gives x squared minus 5x minus 24. Either one of these two techniques is acceptable, as long as we get also the final answer. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So like with the previous question, the contents of x minus 2 needs to be multiplied by the contents of x plus 8. For this example, I'm just going to use the claw method. So, multiplying x and x together gives me x squared. X times 8 is 8x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 times 8 is negative 16. The middle two terms are like terms, so can be simplified. And this gives us a final answer, x squared plus 6x, take away 16.